In a previous video, I showed you how to build a page using an Atomic Blocks layout. In this video, I'll show you how to add 2 extra blocks to that page. We'll be adding an Atomic Blocks hero header page section and a call to action block. Now, if you haven't seen the previous video, this is what we've got so far. Now, the first thing I want to do is to change this hero header here. At the moment, we're using a cover image, but the hero header gives you a bit more options. So, first of all, we need to edit the page. Now, I want to select this top block. I'm going to add a block above it. So I'll click the 3 buttons, insert before. Now, I'm going to click this little plus icon and I'm going to look for the Atomic Blocks. I want an AB layout. Now this time I'm using sections. We've got sections, layouts, and you can save layouts and sections as favorites. So I want the sections tab and I want this one. It's the hero header. And that's put a hero header in my page. Now we've still got this cover image below, so I need to carefully select that, make sure we're only selecting that one block, click 3 buttons tab, remove block. Now I can change the text, so all I need to do is triple click and I can paste my text in there. I want to change this paragraph here, so just triple click the paragraph and paste my text in there. I'm going to change the button text and the link, so click the button. Now where this button link option is here, if you start to type the name of a page you've already got, it will find it for you. Now I've got a page called My Services, so My Services, and it will show me all of the pages I've made that it thinks I'm trying to find. I want My Services. If you don't have a page already made, you can paste in the URL of any page there. I'm going to click the little arrow to apply that link. Then I want to click the button, triple click so that I can change the text. I'm going to update my page. I will preview it and see if it's worked. Click the preview button. And there we've got our new hero header, which just looks a little bit more fancy than the one we had before. Makes us look a bit more professional. Now I want to add the call to action block. So I'm going to go back to the page that I was editing. I need to scroll down. And I want to add a call to action block above this where it says things I can do. Now, luckily, we've got this spacer here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a new block above the spacer, and then I'm going to remove the spacer. This spacer is built into the layout that we're using. So click the 3 dot button, insert before, and I want to use the call to action block. So where that cursor is flashing, if I type a / and then I know the block I want to use is called the call to action block. So I search for that, just start typing, and it will offer us the blocks it thinks we're looking for. So I click call to action, then I can change the text, just paste your own text in there, and I can paste in a paragraph text underneath it, or click in there, either type in or paste in your paragraph text. I want to change the button. Once again, I'm going to link to My Services page. So all I need to do is search. It offers me the things it thinks I'm looking for. Then I click the apply button, type my new button text there, Now I'm going to click Update, and then I'm going to change the colour of this call to action block. So when you've got a block selected, you can see in the right hand column here in your WordPress editor, it shows you the settings for that specific block. So make sure you've selected the block you want to edit. I'm going to edit the call to action block. Now I've got my options have popped up in this right hand column. I want to change the background colour of the call to action. So I don't want the background image, I want the background colour, custom colour, and I'm just going to paste in my new colour there. I want to change the colour of the text, so the text colour tab I open, custom colour, I'm going to just drag the slider there, and I'm going to leave the button blue, but if I wanted to change the button colour, I could just open the button options, and we've got button colour. I'm going to make the button square, so from the drop down, square. I'm not going to change the colour of the button because I think it looks okay. I'm going to click Update, click Preview. I'll scroll down to see what my call to action looks like. Now I want to get rid of this horizontal rule here. So all I need to do, go back to the page I'm editing. Underneath the call to action block, it's a spacer that's got a divider inside it. But once I make sure that I'm editing the spacer, you can tell it's a spacer by this little up and down arrow here. All I need to do is click the 3 circle button for more options and click Remove Block. Click Update, and that's the way I want my page to look. But I think you can see that it really is easy nowadays to build a good looking homepage for your website. Really looks professional, just a clean, simple, professional homepage. And it was made possible by the Atomic Blocks plugin. As you can see, the Atomic Blocks layout templates are just the starting point. You'll soon learn how to add blocks to those layouts and remove blocks from those layouts. All you need is a bit of practice, so why not get started right now? Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.